Money is one of the most important inventions in human history. It is something that almost everyone uses every day, whether to buy food, pay bills, save for the future, or invest in businesses. Without money, modern society would not function as efficiently as it does today. Although many people think of money simply as coins and banknotes, it is much more than that. Money represents value, trust, and the ability to exchange goods and services. It has shaped civilizations, influenced governments, and changed the lives of billions of people around the world. Understanding what money is helps us appreciate its importance and learn how to use it wisely. In ancient times, people did not have money. Instead, they practiced a system known as barter. Under this system, people exchanged goods and services directly. For example, a farmer might trade rice for fish, while a carpenter might exchange furniture for vegetables. Although barter worked in small communities, it had many disadvantages. Both parties had to want what the other person was offering, making transactions difficult and time-consuming. As societies became larger and trade expanded, people realized that a more practical system was needed. To solve the problems of barter, different civilizations began using objects with recognized value as money. These included shells, salt, beads, animal skins, and precious metals such as gold and silver. Because these items were widely accepted and relatively scarce, they became reliable mediums of exchange. Eventually, governments began producing coins made from valuable metals. Coins were easier to carry, more durable, and easier to measure than goods used in barter. This marked the beginning of organized monetary systems that supported economic growth and international trade. As economies developed further, carrying large amounts of coins became inconvenient. To overcome this problem, paper money was introduced. Paper currency represented a certain value and was backed by governments or precious metals such as gold. Today, most countries use paper banknotes together with metal coins as their official currency. In recent decades, technology has transformed the way people use money. Credit cards, debit cards, online banking, mobile payment applications, and digital wallets allow people to make purchases without carrying cash. Digital transactions have become faster, safer, and more convenient than ever before. Money performs several important functions in every economy. The first function is serving as a medium of exchange. Instead of trading one product for another, people use money to purchase whatever they need. A customer buys groceries using money, while the shop owner uses that money to pay suppliers and employees. This system makes trade much more efficient and allows businesses to operate smoothly. Without money as a medium of exchange, daily life would become much more complicated. The second important function of money is acting as a unit of account. Money provides a common way of measuring the value of goods and services. For example, the prices of food, clothing, houses, and vehicles are all expressed in monetary terms. This makes it easy for consumers to compare prices and decide what to buy. Businesses also use money to calculate profits, expenses, salaries, and taxes. Without a common unit of account, managing an economy would be extremely difficult. Another important function of money is serving as a store of value. People can save money today and use it in the future. Savings help individuals prepare for emergencies, education, retirement, or unexpected expenses. However, money does not always maintain its value forever. Inflation, which is the gradual increase in prices over time, reduces the purchasing power of money. For this reason, many people choose to invest their savings in assets such as property, businesses, or stocks that may grow in value over the long term. Money also acts as a standard of deferred payment. This means people can borrow money now and repay it later. Loans allow individuals to buy homes, start businesses, or continue their education even if they do not have enough money immediately. Companies also borrow money to expand their operations and create more jobs. Governments use loans to finance important infrastructure projects such as roads, schools, and hospitals. Responsible borrowing and lending contribute to economic growth, but excessive debt can create serious financial problems. Although money is essential, it cannot buy everything. It can purchase comfortable homes, expensive cars, fashionable clothes, and luxurious vacations, but it cannot guarantee happiness, love, friendship, trust, or good health. Many wealthy people still experience loneliness, stress, or dissatisfaction despite having great financial success. On the other hand, many people with modest incomes enjoy meaningful relationships and fulfilling lives. This reminds us that money is a tool to improve our quality of life, not the ultimate purpose of life itself. Managing money wisely is an important life skill. People should learn to earn honestly, spend carefully, save regularly, and invest wisely. Creating a budget helps individuals control unnecessary spending and achieve long-term financial goals. It is also important to avoid excessive debt and prepare for unexpected emergencies by maintaining savings. Financial education should begin at a young age so that future generations can make informed decisions and enjoy greater financial security throughout their lives. Money also plays a significant role in business and national development. Businesses use money to purchase equipment, pay employees, advertise products, and expand their operations. Governments collect taxes in the form of money to provide public services such as education, healthcare, security, and transportation. A stable financial system encourages investment, creates employment opportunities, and improves living standards. Therefore, money contributes not only to individual prosperity but also to the overall growth and stability of a nation. In recent years, technology has introduced new forms of money, including digital currencies and cryptocurrencies. These innovations have changed how people transfer, save, and invest money. While digital financial systems offer speed and convenience, they also present challenges such as cybersecurity risks, fraud, and market volatility. As technology continues to evolve, people must understand both the benefits and the risks associated with modern financial systems. Ultimately, the value of money depends on how people choose to use it. Some use money only for personal pleasure, while others use it to help their families, support charitable causes, create businesses, and improve society. Wealth can become a powerful force for positive change when combined with wisdom, integrity, and generosity. Responsible financial decisions benefit not only individuals but also communities and future generations. In conclusion, money is far more than coins, banknotes, or numbers in a bank account. It is a medium of exchange, a unit of account, a store of value, and a standard of deferred payment that supports every aspect of modern life. From ancient barter systems to today's digital transactions, money has evolved alongside human civilization. However, while money is necessary for comfort and economic progress, it should never replace values such as kindness, honesty, compassion, and gratitude. When used wisely and responsibly, money becomes not just a measure of wealth, but a powerful tool for building a better future for ourselves and for others.